like on the very tail end of the hurricane. Most hunters like to get out after there's been, 6 to 7 inches of rain. So I found quite a bit and I want to document it. But, I almost stepped on that other piece. I had seen a piece right here on the ground where my marker is. I'll show you just how it happened. I'll get my footprints. I haven't touched this other piece either. I see 2. I stopped. Sure as you live, you can't just leave it sitting there. So I pulled all of these out of my pocket. I want to show you these. And I have some others that are much more broken. Much more broken. But we'll take a look at those. And then there was let's check this one out down here first. There's this little edge. A little bit of a bifurcated base. No, man, I guess that's as close to a double as you can get. It's overcast, super windy. It's broken, but that's fine, no big deal. Let's check these out. Again, this is what got me going. Just getting some pictures of it. All right, let's look at this. And I know we all have people out there that we're acquaintances with and friends. And look at this piece. This is quartz. I don't know what kind of piece it was. Hopefully my voice isn't getting blown away. This piece, man, would have loved to have that whole point. Lots of times the way that happens. We have a lot of people out there. I'll just stop talking if it gets windy, just to show you this stuff. Just great points. Found here. I'm at the stepping stone, and I call it that because everywhere you step there's stones around, and then a big all right, let's check this out. Hard quartz. That's going to do nothing but what it was made to do. This stuff out here speaks of its history. Sorry about the wind. That's the hurricane. Can only hope everybody finds out there. And be safe.